Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be unboxing and review the VIGRUE magnetic wristband. The VIGRUE magnetic wristband is an awesome tool for both the professional and the average person. It's perfect for home improvement, construction, auto repair, and many other DIY projects. A great gift idea for family, friends, and co-workers. 20 strong magnets embedded in each wristband surround almost the entire wrist for holding screws, nails, bolts, washers, drill bits. Stronger than other magnetic wristbands. It can solve the problem of losing small parts when working or doing projects.